वेलकम टू आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स। आपका आरोग्य फिजियो टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज जिस बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, आई एम श्योर एवरी वन ऑफ अस हैज एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड दैट इज अबाउट सोर लेग्स। सोर लेग्स due to workout, sore legs due to standing for a long time or walking or going for trekking. So anything which causes soreness is the leg. How do you differentiate from soreness or from a neural pain? How do you do that? Because neural pain will be radiating, soreness will be localized. For example, hamstring soreness will be at the back of the thigh, or quadriceps soreness will be at the front of the thigh. Okay, so if soreness is there, this is the things you should do. One very important point before starting is how you can avoid this soreness. One, hydrate well. पानी पीते रहिए. Okay, दिन में आपको basically अगर आप 40 kg के हैं तो 2 लीटर पानी चाहिए. अगर आप 60 kg के हैं तो 3 लीटर पानी. तो अपने वेट के हिसाब से हर दिन पानी पीजिए. वर्कआउट के टाइम पे बीच बीच में सिप करते रहिए. मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग वार्म अप एंड कूल डाउन. वार्म अप और कूल डाउन आपका अच्छे से होना चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी है. द थर्ड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट व्हेन डूइंग द वर्कआउट योर टेक्निक हैज टू बी प्रॉपर. आप किसी के अंडर एक्सरसाइज सीखें जिससे कि आप गलत तरीके से ना कर ले. जैसे कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि स्क्वाट्स गलत करने से नीज में पेन होने लग जाता है. तो टेक्निक ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज हैज टू बी प्रॉपर. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग प्रॉपर वार्म अप, कूल डाउन, हाइड्रेटिंग वेल and technique of the exercise is also well, then there are less chances of sore legs. What you should do if you get sore legs? So if you have got sore legs, that means sore hamstring or sore adductors or sore quadriceps, one very important point is you can, if you feel that there is slight swelling also, then you can try to elevate the leg or take the leg against the wall. There are many of the, especially if you see the varicose vein video which we have, there is technique where we have shown that how to put legs against the wall. So just elevating the leg may actually reduce your soreness and pain. Second very important point is if you feel that there is lot of pain in one localized area, you can do ice application. So you can have ice pack. We will be putting some ice pack link in our description box. You can buy from there if you don't have, because I always recommend कि हर किसी घर में ice pack तो होना ही चाहिए. तो कभी भी स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड या जिम से रिलेटेड आपको सोरनेस आए तो हमेशा आइस पैक अप्लाई करिए. नेक्स्ट इज, अगर आपको हल्की सी स्वेलिंग लगती है, मान लीजिए एंकल में एंड ऑल, आप कंप्रेशन बैंड यूज कर सकते हैं. पर तभी जब मतलब बेसिकली आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ ये बस मैंने वर्कआउट किया था उसकी वजह से आया है. इफ यू फील द स्वेलिंग इज टू मच एंड देयर कैन बी अ लिगामेंट इंजुरी और एनी इंजुरी, प्लीज गो एंड विजिट योर ऑर्थोपेडिशियन और अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, which is whoever is near to you. Fourth very important point is you can actually do a foam roller massage, and this I suggest to every single person who does regular workout. We already have a foam roller video. The link will be shared in the description box, so please go below and see those videos. So after say one day off, you can, the rest day which you have, you can actually do foam rolling massage so that you can avoid such kind of soreness. Or you can even do massage from your own hand or go to regular massages to avoid such soreness. Apart from that, you can actually do some stretches which will relieve the soreness. Let's go on to the stretches. So the first stretch we are doing is the calf stretch, because many people have sore calf. Okay, so especially after running. So what you can do is you can get into calf stretch. So calf is basically two muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus. So one way you can stretch it is by keeping one leg forward at 90 degree, okay, the other leg at the back, heel not coming up, heel on the ground, and holding this stretch for 30 seconds and repeating it 3 to 5 times. Holding the stretch is very very important. I know it may be painful while holding, but you still have to hold it. Hold करके रखिए, अभी टाइम नहीं हुआ है. चलिए दूसरे स्ट्रेच देख कर लेंगे. The next way you can stretch is basically by keeping the foot on the wall and trying to go as much front as possible. You will have a deep stretch on the thigh on the calf, and again you have to do it 30-second hold, minimum 3 to 5 repetition. Okay, so you can stretch the quadriceps muscles also in standing. So you can take the leg towards you. If you want actually deeper stretch, try to hold onto the ankle and try to hold it from both the hands and hold this stretch for 30 seconds. We already have a video of hip flexor stretch in which we can keep one leg in the front, the other leg is at the back. You try to go forward, tilt your, very important is to tilt your back and hold that stretch for again 30 seconds. There are many other ways you can stretch your hip flexors. The link of hip flexor stretch is given down, so please go through it. Remember, holding each stretch for 30 seconds, 3 to 5 repetition is must for every hold. Many runners after the run complain of soreness around the tibial or around the shin bone. I always tell them they try to sit in Vajrasana. If you find it very difficult, you can roll onto towel and keep it just below your ankle. But sit in this pose, say for 1 and 2 minutes, and then you can release this stretch. But try to sit, you will feel really better after some time. Also around the shin bone, so somewhere around here, you can actually do kneading with the help of some, you can use moisturizer or oil and do kneading along the shin bone just to release the pressure around the shin. Okay, now many people get hamstring strain, many of them, okay. So this is a very good stretch for hamstring. Just bend your leg and bring it towards your groin area. The other leg which has to be stretched is straight or maybe slightly diagonal as you are comfortable, okay. Try to bring toes towards you. You will be already feeling stretch. You try to go forward, okay. Remember, don't bend your back forward. Bend from the hip. Bend from the hip. Now, if you're comfortable here, hold this stretch here. You can even use, so this is TheraBand, but you can use a dupatta or something and try to bring it towards you and hold this stretch for as much as possible. If you can bend more from hip, try to go down as much as possible or hold on to. But again and again I'm telling, don't round your back. Back straight, chest forward, bend from the hip. Now many people have piriformis problem or many people suffer from sciatica. Such people after the workout generally have sore lateral IT band, okay. For them, figure of 4 stretch is really good. So you put your one leg up on the other and you hold this stretch for again 30 seconds to a minute and repeat it 3 to 5 times. Similarly, you can even take it to the side, so your one leg is straight, the other leg bring it towards the, so right leg goes towards the left side and you will be watching your right hand. Also, you can actually take the leg all the way straight and take it to the side and hold it there again for 30 seconds. Holding is very, very important, I'm telling you. And this holding is very, very important. You can also do viper stretch, especially if your back is sore. So you bend both the knees as much as possible and then take it towards the opposite side and look towards. So left side, my leg are facing towards the left side and I am facing towards right side. Will be stretch at your back. So in this position also you can stretch your hamstring. So basically you can take the leg towards you and try to stretch it as much as possible. If you are not comfortable holding the knee towards, then what you can do is you can take a dupatta or band or anything like that and hold on to it, face it towards you and hold for again 30 seconds, okay. 3 to 5 repetition. Oh, it's already feels so good. I'm telling you, hamstring stretch everybody should do. In this position also you can stretch quadriceps if you are not comfortable standing, especially if you have pain and soreness at the front part of the thigh, what you do is you grab your ankle, okay, bring it towards your buttocks and try to take it back as much as possible. Don't take your pelvis back, okay? Don't take your pelvis back. So pelvis is in front, pelvis is tilted like this. You hold on to the ankle and take it as back as possible. Oh, I'm feeling such nice stretch. Okay, hold it there for 30 seconds and again 3 to 5 repetitions. So next very good stretch for IT band is pigeon stretch. So especially if you are running, this stretch is really good. So you bring your leg right in front and drop it. Okay, the other leg is straight at the back and you can be holding this stretch. You can even do sleeping pigeon, or if you're comfortable coming down till here, you can do till here, or you're comfortable all the way down. Just hold this stretch for again 30 seconds and 3 to 5 repetition. Pigeon stretch, very good. So you can also bring your right leg forward, your left leg back on the toe. You can actually bring your both the elbows down. This is multiple group of muscle stretching. There is right leg and left leg. So left leg you will stretch your hip flexors, you will stretch little bit of your quads, whereas here your adductors may be stretching this leg. And so this is multiple stretch. You can hold this stretch for 30 seconds and then relax. Now you can get up here and hold this stretch like this and hold it for some time. If you want to stretch the hams here along with the calf, you can actually go back this stretch the quadriceps and this will stretch the hamstring. So these are some of the stretches which can be used for sore legs. Also we have one more video which is about back and lower limb stretching. We will be posting those videos as well. You can go through those stretches. Remember, if you are stretching well, if you are doing correct technique, hydrating well, eating well, sleeping well, rest is very important. Never ever underestimate rest. 6 to 8 hours of sleep without, undisturbed sleep is what is absolutely required to recover the muscle. For example, today you have done leg workout, try to do hand workout or try to do upper limb workout the other day, so that the same group of muscles are not continuously used and muscles get rest, and as they get rest they repair. Okay, also don't forget to use foam roller for a self massage technique which will release your fascia and will make make your muscles loose, not so tighten up. Okay, thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to our channel. That's not our channel but the channel is here. Do subscribe to our channel and witness your fitness with us. Arogya Physio Tips. Guys, we are not getting subscriber. Please subscribe.